Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So my name is Kayla. For those of you who are new, welcome. So I did a video a few days ago. If you haven't seen that video and you really like pizza, you should check it out because it's a chicken bacon ranch pizza and it's made on a low carb wrap and it's absolutely delicious. It's one of the recipes that I did when I was full keto and I still really love the recipe. And it's really fast if I need like a quick lunch or a quick supper to throw together. It's really good and you can change the toppings up and make pretty much any kind of pizza that you like. So that's a really good recipe to have on hand. Now I talked about at the end of that video kind of an update of what happened. I tried to go keto and it went really good for around 2 days. At the end of the day too, I didn't have cravings to where I wanted carbs or anything like that. Honestly, I crave a lot of the keto foods because I ate keto for so long. I think the older I get, the more my taste buds kind of change. Has any of you guys had that happen to you? Like you feel like things that you used to like, you don't like anymore, or things that, you know, you used to say like, I'm never eating that. Now you kind of want those foods. If that's happened to you, please let me know in the comments. I would be glad to know that I'm not the only one. So, and I'm sure I'm not, but that has happened quite a lot. It seems like I crave a lot of the keto foods that used to I would not even eat, and now I absolutely love them. So that's a thing apparently. But I wanted to give you a little bit of an update. So without going into extreme detail, I tried it and my body just kind of started feeling really bad, and I just could not handle going from eating so many carbs to eating 0 carbs, or basically really low, super low carbs, because I mean I was really eating less than 20 grams of carbs a day. I mean it was a lot that I cut back on. So the ultimate end goal would be to go 100% keto again, because that's when I felt my best. However, I know that I have to start slow this time. When I did it originally, I was in my 20s and maybe my body just reacted different. I'm not really sure what happened, but since I've tried to go back, it's been really hard. So I want you guys to know you're not the only one. If you have tried to go keto and your body is just like, oh, no, can't do it, I get it, because that's what happened to me. And so going into like the next, I guess you would call it, stage of life with this journey, I really want to focus on calories, making sure I'm getting enough calories, making sure that I'm keeping my carbs low. So doing super low carb, as low as my body will possibly handle. I usually do really good for breakfast. I can keep that pretty much keto because I do a lot of eggs, a lot of bacon and eggs, sausage and eggs, steak and eggs, the burritos. I did a video on that, which is steak, egg, and cheese burritos. Absolutely delicious. That's a keto recipe. And far as the vegetables, I do really well with that. I love to do like air fried okra. I have a short on that. I love zucchini, squash, all of the vegetables. I love those. Meat I'm great with. I have an air fryer and I absolutely love my air fryer. If you guys are trying to do keto or basically any kind of diet whatsoever, I would highly recommend getting an air fryer. It will change your life completely. I love that kitchen appliance. That's probably my favorite kitchen appliance, to be honest. So that's not an issue. Really, it was only just completely cutting the carbs out was the only issue I had. So what I'm gonna try to do is to slowly move myself into it. So I'm gonna show you a grocery haul. I went grocery shopping today and stocked up on some of my favorites, as well as some of my husband's favorites. That's gonna help us to transition into keto. And that's one reason why I wanted to do this video, is to show you that you can transition. It can be a slow transition, it can be a fast transition, and I'm honestly just gonna let my body lead. So I cannot tell you how fast it's gonna be that I'm gonna be doing full keto, or how slow it's gonna be that I'm gonna be doing full keto. But I will tell you that on this channel, I'm gonna share keto recipes. I'm gonna be sharing the grocery hauls that are ketos, the unboxing that I have in this video, or the electrolytes that I use. I take these electrolytes almost daily, if not every day. I try to have electrolytes. Also, and they're a really huge part with keto. You want to make sure that you're getting electrolytes, because your body, when you're drinking all of that water, which you need water, so drinking water is really good for your body. And I usually just mix these electrolytes in the water, and it just kind of mixes it up for me a little bit. The bubblies are also really good. They're unsweetened. If you like carbonated waters, that's one of my favorite drinks to have. I take them to work with me sometimes just to have like a quick something different to drink other than just water, other than electrolytes. Perfect Keto has an electrolyte powder if you have kids. My daughter absolutely loves their electrolytes, and she really likes the, I think it's black cherry flavor is the name of it. I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to update you on the exact flavor of it, but she loves that one, and that's the one that I get her. So she really likes that one. But I like the LMNT ones also. The LMNT ones is probably my favorite because I really like salt. So I actually have some of those that we're going to be unboxing in this video. And we're also going to be unboxing some carnivore crisps. So you won't miss that order. I'm going to have that in this video as well. And then the grocery haul. So I'm hoping that I'm going to give you some ideas, and I hope this helps you guys as you move along in your journey. I'm going to talk about it in different videos, kind of what stage that I'm in the process, because like I said, my ultimate end goal would be to get my body into a state of ketosis. That's what made me feel my greatest. And I really appreciate you guys watching my videos and supporting me on this channel, not leaving negative comments. It means the world to me that you guys would watch this and leave positive comments. And if you could leave me a positive comment below, I would love to hear from you and to know that you enjoy this video, or maybe this is helping you, something that you would enjoy watching. And now we're gonna jump into the grocery haul, and I'm gonna show you all of the groceries, and then right after that, we'll be right into the unboxing. So I'm gonna start with what I got that was cold. I have the Ratio Keto Vanilla Yogurt, Mixed Berry Yogurt. I bought one of these real good broccoli, cheddar, and cheese bacon stuffed chicken. I'm not really sure how good it's gonna be. I hope it's gonna be really good. I've never tried it. Sugar-free tropical popsicle, as well as sugar-free orange, cherry, and grape popsicles. Sugar-free cheesecake jello high key cookies. These are the wafers. They taste just like vanilla wafers if you guys like vanilla wafers. Cream cheese, I like to mix those with bell peppers. Almond flour crackers, I've never tried this brand, but I know all of their cookies I've tried is really good. Sugar-free Reese's, these taste just like the original Reese cups to me. Strawberries, salad mix. I have some meat and cheese, as well as these little trays. I thought that would be really nice to have on the go. Cherry bubbly, 2 Coca-Cola Zeros, 1 for me and my husband. Ground sirloin, that's gonna be for hamburger steaks tonight. 2 steaks I thought would be really good to have with eggs to do like the steak, egg, and cheese burritos. If you haven't seen that video, go check that out. Mission Zero Carbs. I haven't tried these either, but I know the other Mission brand are my absolute favorite. Pork rinds, jalapeno and sea salt, xanthan gum, almond flour, paper plates, and then the Nature's Own keto bread. I'm gonna unbox 2 different products today. We're gonna start with LMNT electrolytes. These are my favorite electrolytes. This one is already unboxed because I got it a couple of days ago and I've been using it, and it is one of my favorite flavors so far. It's grapefruit. It tastes just like a grapefruit. 1,000 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams of potassium, and 60 milligrams of magnesium. This is perfect if you're following keto or if you're playing any kind of sport or anything like that. It's a great replacement for like Gatorade, Powerade, any of those, because this one's a lot healthier for you. And now we're gonna unbox the other flavor. Now this flavor I have tried in the past. It is one of my favorites. So the first thing they give you is a Stay Salty sticker. It's really cute. And then the electrolytes are next. This is the raspberry salt. I was already stocked up on their other flavors, so these are the only ones that I got, but I really like the raspberry ones as well. It's a really good summer flavor. And now we're gonna unbox the next. We're gonna unbox a carnivore crisp. I do not have a discount code for this. I do have a discount code for the LMNT, so I'll link it down below. this is what I ordered from them. This is the chicken breast strips. I have tried these before. It's a really good chip alternative you could have with guacamole or salsa. The grass-fed ribeye, I'm excited to try. I thought this would be a perfect grab and go option for me and my husband to have as we travel or just carrying back and forth to work. I also picked up some chicken flour, and they also have this in, I believe, beef flour and organ flour, but I went with the chicken first. I plan on taking this and using it for flour for chicken nuggets and doing like a keto chicken nugget option. And then last, I'm super excited to try these. These are the all natural chicken skins, and I usually make these myself by taking like chicken thighs, taking the skin off of them and doing them in the air fryer. They're really delicious, and I use that as a chip alternative. But I'm really super excited to try these because this would be perfect to have to grab and go. So that's everything that I ordered this time. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it gave you some ideas of some different snack items or other items that you can purchase that's going to help you on this journey. I'm going to leave a link in the description for the LMNT electrolytes. They are my favorite, and I really hope you guys give them a try. If you just click the link, it'll take you directly to the site. And the Carnival Crisps, I do not have a discount code for, so I can't leave anything for that below, but I hope it gave you some ideas, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment down below to let me know if you would like to see more videos like this, more grocery hauls, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.